Good job, girl!
Nice!
Good job, girl!
Nice!
Andy Eigenman kinaya ang 10-kilometer run pero ramdam na ramdam ang pagod at tila mabubuwal kaya naman agad niyakap ni Philmar at very proud si Philmar sa partner na finisher ng 10-kilometer. Bagong achievement ito para kay Andy na hindi niya nating nagagawa. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Kitang-kita sa mukha ni Andy ang saya nang matapos niya ang kilometer 10 with Philmar at mga close friends nila. Sama-sama sa tagumpay ang Team Siargao.
Ganda dyan ng puntik na tuloy ni Andy. 21. Ito. Ganda dyan ng puntik na tuloy ni Andy. 21. Ito.
Kadaan dun sa kabila.
Ganda dyan ng puntik na tuloy ni Andy. 21. Ito.
Kadaan dun sa kabila.
Ganda dyan ng puntik na tuloy ni Andy. 21. Ito.
Kadaan dun sa kabila.
Good job, girl!
Nice!
Good job, girl!
Nice!
Sabi nga ni Andy, my first race and my first 10-kilometer ever was at the island of Siargao Marathon. So stoked and happy to finish in 57th place, females, out of 346 for my first time. Special thanks to my mahal, Philmar. I am lucky one to have such a dedicated athlete and coach as a partner because the motivations and discipline is contagious.
How was it? Oh my God, congratulations, Andy! How was it? Oh my God, congratulations, Andy!
You got this! Just a few more! Let's go! You got this! Just a few more! Let's go!
Plus, I get all this free advice for improvement too. Doctor advised him to sit his 21-kilometer out, so he opted to join me in my 10-kilometer as my pacer. Salamat gajud karadyaw mahal. I would fainted somewhere along the way without you, FR.
At least addressing the suggestion is there.
And to Miss Pernilia, who finished 6th female in her first ever 42-kilometer. What an inspo! You are proof that it is always best to surround ourselves with people who inspire us and lift us up. Another thank you to Stella Marie. top 20 female yan, for the push to join and for the doing this with me. Thank you for the picture. And Miss Madam, for my super fast friend top 4. Nagkaaway kami during this morning only. At nagpasalamat nga rin si Pernilla ang kanilang kaibigan. My heart so proud of you both always. I think my biggest achievement in life is getting more people in Siargao running. Thank you for all your support for me and Siargao runners always and for cheering for me when I was in so much pain. Haha, it made such a difference finishing the race. Love, love, Ninang Pernilla. At pula naman sa isa sa mga kasama ni Andy na tumakbo sa 10-kilometer run. Di ko alam kung iiyak ka or manghihingi ka ng tubig, madam. Congratulations, madam. 10-kilometer finish strong. At mula naman sa isa pang commenter, the non-stop boss, mama, how to be you po. And makawaw and sana all tayo palagi sa mga couple goals nyo ni Philmar. Kayo na moms, we're rooting and always proud of you individually, pero mas ma-proud if palagi kayong together. Ayi, hindi tayo pwedeng magkaaway pero that time, yes. Halos mahimatay na nga si Andy na sa kanyang 10-kilometer run marathon dahil first time niya lang itong gawin at kung hindi dahil sa tulong ng kanyang partner na si Philmar ay malamang na nahimatay na nga siya somewhere. Kaya naman laking pasasalamat niya kay Philmar na sinamahan siya dito. Marami na talagang nabuong friendship itong si Andy Eigenman sa isla ng Siargao at hinihila siya ng mga ito para maging sporty at mas malakas. Kagaya na lamang ng kanyang partner na si Philmar na talaga namang very sporty. Pag wala namang masyadong pinagkakaabalahan si Andy at Philmar ay tumatambay na lamang muna ang dalawa sa shop kasama ang ilan sa mga kaibigan nila. Kumikita na ay nakikipagtsikahan pa ang mga ito at nalilibang.
At least there's a suggestion there. At least there's a suggestion there.